Hello, my amazing artists. Today I'm going to remind you how we mix some colors, and you're going to practice thinking about how to mix the primary colors to create those secondary colors that we're going to start to mix with paint this week. So we have already looked at this picture. This is our color wheel. A color wheel is a tool that helps to remind us how we mix colors. We already talked about the three primary colors. Primary colors make this triangle shape on the color wheel. So if we look, the primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. And we know they're the primary colors because our color wheel reminds us by making a triangle. So when we mix colors, we take two primary colors that mix together and they create a new color. When we look at all these colors, they all go in the shape of a circle. So when we are mixing, we can remind ourselves what two primary colors create a new color. That new color is always going to be in between those two primary colors on this big circle. I know that sounds a little confusing, so let me show you how it works. We're going to practice creating our own colors by mixing two primary colors. So we call a color we create with two primary colors a secondary color. So here's the paper we're going to work on. We are going to focus on coloring in each of these little ribbons or flags, whatever color it says, and that's going to tell you what color you create when you mix them. So I can see here this says red plus yellow creates orange. So I'm going to use my crayons, and I can start with whatever colors I want to first. If I want to start with the primary colors, I could start by grabbing a red crayon, and I can take my crayon and color this in red. I'm going to go a little quickly. You might want to go a little slower since you're trying your best. So I know red mixed with yellow will create orange. And there's a couple different orange crayons here. I can choose any of them, whatever you'd like. And then I can color this in. So we know that red and yellow make orange. Let's see what our next one is. And as I'm doing this, I always putting my crayons back in my crayon bin so my friend next to me can also use those same colors. I can see that my next colors are yellow. And I'll show you on this one, I'll show you how we can also look at the color wheel. Plus blue, I can use whichever blue I would like. There's a couple different blues in your crayon bin. Let's see. Yellow and blue. Yellow and blue, what color is around or in between yellow and blue on the color wheel is green. So then I take my crayons and I can color this green. And my last one says blue mixed with red. And every time you need a new color, put your old color back and grab your new color. Mixed with red creates, let's see, starts with a P, purple, or another name for purple is violet. Once I am done showing how to mix my primary and secondary colors, I can color in the letters, I can draw a picture on the back. Remember, I'll need to write my name somewhere on my paper. You're going to take this with you, so make sure that you are doing your best work, and then you can create whatever you would like on the back. Happy creating!